of air-to-water heat exchangers. Used in conjunction with a chilled water supply, HydroEdge heat exchangers are capable of providing sub-ambient cooling. As the internal components of air-to-water heat exchangers are completely encased within a sealed enclosure, these maintenance-free units take the concept of closed-loop cooling to an entirely new level. Air-to-water heat exchangers are ideal for the dirtiest industrial environments where oil mist, dust, and dirt would quickly clog the filters of air conditioners or air-to-air heat exchangers. Metal grinding and stamping, automotive brake plants, flour milling, and mining operations are all examples of applications well suited for air-to-water heat exchangers. Food processing is also an ideal application. In particular, meat and poultry processing plants, where frequent washdowns are the norm. Other popular applications include agricultural and golf course irrigation, as well as water and wastewater treatment. HydroEdge heat exchangers are available in 4 sizes and can be configured to meet your requirements. Key design features include closed-loop design, maintenance-free, digital controller, fits 18-inch deep enclosures and some fit 12-inch, eliminates condensation inside an enclosure. Maximum water pressure is 100 psi, ambient operating temperature from 34 degrees to 140 degrees. When ambient conditions are extreme, HydroEdge air-to-water heat exchangers provide reliable, efficient, and cost-effective enclosure cooling solutions.